Hi, I'm Chris Maragkakis of Simply Be Retreats and Therapies. I'm a life coach, therapist and podcaster. Welcome to Mindful Mutterings. Please like, share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for listening. Hi, thank you for joining me. This week's podcast is a meditation for sleep. So please do not listen to this while you are operating machinery or driving, and make sure that when you do listen to it, you are in a safe place where if you do fall asleep, you will be okay to do so. So for the best benefits, I would find a comfortable, quiet space where you can sit or lie comfortably and won't be disturbed. You may want to set an alarm or timer if you do fall asleep. If you're sitting, make sure that your back is straight but not rigid so that you can breathe easily, that your shoulders are down and away from your ears, and that your head is balanced comfortably. And if you are laying down, you might want to have something like a rolled towel or pillow under your knees to take any strain off your back. And when you are comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a lovely deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And start to turn your attention to how your body is feeling. And so I'd like to invite you to imagine a beautiful warm light entering through the top of your head and filling your skull with beautiful warmth, an amazing radiance that causes the muscles of your head and face to relax. Feel this light loosen every area it passes as it flows down into your neck and to your throat. Swallow to relax the muscles there, and notice how your body softens as the light passes into your chest, across your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands and fingers. Sink further into relaxation as the warmth from the white light flows into your tummy, across your hips and down into your legs. Feel your knees soften as your ankles relax, your feet turning outwards and your toes letting go of tension. And relish the feeling of complete relaxation as you now take 3 very deep breaths right down into your tummy, and then allow the breath to flow out through your mouth, taking anything with it that no longer serves you. Do this now. And now in your mind, picture a moonlit night. The moon is full and bathing all that you can see in a most beautiful light that you found safe and relaxing. There is almost no sound here, except for a lazy rustling of the gentle breeze playing through the trees. You become aware of the fact that you are actually in a forest and surrounded by tall, beautiful, protective, gracious trees. And as you look closer, you can see a path through the trees illuminated by the glowing moon. Begin to walk further along the path, feeling your heart expand with love with each step you take. For in your soul you know that you are in a place of magic. This place is safe. This place you are connected to nature, to the essence of who you are, to the earth's energies, and this fills your heart with joy. With each step that you take, become aware of the wildlife around you, noticing you and guarding you so that you may be safe on your journey. and in your mind thank them for taking care of you as you've come to this place to relax and repair. As you walk along the path, you become calmer, your mind begins to still, your heart feels fuller, and your body is loose and relaxed. And as you approach the end of the path, you can see a beautiful house off into the forest. And in your mind's eye, see it as the house that you know you would be most comfortable in, be that a cottage or a mansion. And in your mind, take a few moments to bring this building to life, how it would look, how you would feel, what kind of space it would be, and how you would use it. And now walk towards the house and push open the door that is ready and waiting to receive you. The house is warm and welcoming, and instantly you feel safe and secure. You know this house well, for deep in your soul you know it represents your safe place, the place inside you where the essence of you resides. As you walk around the house admiring the plump, inviting chairs and the soothing fire, you find that you are becoming more relaxed and sleepy. In fact, you can barely keep your eyes open. But the house is so warm and comfortable, and you feel so happy here. You know that this place is a healing place for you, and that you can let go of anything outside of this house, knowing that here all will be taken care of. You're so tired now and so sleepy and relaxed that you decide to head towards the stairs. You climb towards the landing, and every room looks beautiful and inviting. But there, at the top of the stairs, is the cozy room with the biggest, softest, most inviting bed that you have ever seen. As you walk towards it, every part of your being knows that it will give you the most comfortable, relaxed, and refreshing sleep that you have ever known. You're eager to get onto the bed, and so you kick off your shoes and loosen your clothing so that you can be comfortable, and you roll onto the bed. And as you sink into it, it surrounds you like a warm hug. Here you feel so safe and protected. And you start to surrender to the idea of sleep as the clock in the distance chimes. 1, 2, 3. You are drifting away. 4, 5, 6. Deeper into sleep. 7, 8, 9. You will sleep now until your chosen time to wake, when you feel relaxed and refreshed. Sleep well, beautiful being, and sweet dreams, as I say the number 10.